So let's make a plant stand, something like this. I'm using 2x2 and 3x2 woods. First, take a measurement, of course, cut it. If you don't have a sickle saw, it's okay. You still can use a hand saw. It works. Tapi seminggu lah siap. Okay, get 4 of these. I like to make sharp edges. Stylo sikit. Nampak macam tu. Dapatkan 4 batang macam ni. 4. The center part. My vase is a bit heavy, so I make a lock position, or we call it halving joint. Pasu bunga ni berat sikit, so I kena bagi dia support sikit dekat kaki dia. So this is what I've done. Pakai shivel, kita pisahkan dia. Masuk dek. This is the center part. Center part you have to cut it exactly in the middle. So your vase will be centered. Same process. This time you must be accurate. Perfect. Okay, we put it together. First we glue. Bersihkan sikit. And we screw it across. Then we clamp it. Let it dry. Take note on the interlock. One is facing down and one facing up. Take the time to sand. If you feel like paint it, go ahead paint it. Ada yang rajin nak cat. I like original look kayu, so I leave it as it is. So this time, this second one, I'm using 2x2 woods. The same process. The difference is I don't make any locking to support the vase, because this time my vase is a bit light. So what I do is I just glue, I just screw, clamp it. When it's dry, I just put a shaped metal like this. It's good enough. It's strong enough. It's done. Comel tak? So again, it's really easy. It's cheap. It's actually fun to do it rather than you just buy it. And I hope you enjoy the video and happy building. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, really appreciate if you can subscribe it, and I'll show you more for upcoming video. Thanks again. Bye.